Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to write step by step how to multiply the trinomial pairs displayed on the screen and for more similar pairs. To solve these exercises I'm going to use the formula for sum and difference of the same terms, a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This formula can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. In addition, I will use the formulas for binomial squares. A plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. First exercise, multiply the trinomials a plus b plus x in parentheses and a plus b minus x in parentheses. In order for me to use the formulas, I need to write this expression as, in square parentheses, a plus b in parentheses plus x, closing square parentheses, multiplied by a plus b in parentheses minus x in square parentheses. This way, I can use the formula for sum and difference of the same two terms. The first term will be a plus b, and the second term will be x. And when I apply the formula, this equals to a plus b in parentheses squared minus x squared. As a next step, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared to simplify this further. When I do that, this equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And what I have left is minus x squared. Next exercise. Multiply the trinomials a minus b plus x in parentheses and a minus b minus x in parentheses. Again, to solve this exercise, I'm going to write it in a slightly different way as square parentheses a minus b in parentheses plus x, closing square parenthesis, and in the other parenthesis, square parenthesis, I have a minus b in parentheses minus x. This equals to, when I apply the formula for sum and difference of the same terms, I will have a minus b as a first term squared, and then x as a second term squared. Or, when I apply the formula, this equals to a minus b in parentheses squared minus x squared. Then, I can apply the formula for binomial square a minus b in parentheses squared, and when I do that, this equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and I have minus x squared. Next exercise, multiply the trinomials x plus b plus c in parentheses and x minus b minus c in parentheses. This expression equals to x plus b plus c in parentheses in square parentheses multiplied by x minus b plus c in parentheses in square parentheses. This way, x will be my first term, b plus c will be the second term in the formula for sum and difference of the same terms. And when I apply it, it equals to x squared minus b plus c in parentheses squared. Next, again, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square for b plus c in parentheses squared. And when I do that, I have b squared plus 2 times bc plus c squared. Lastly, I need to open parentheses. I have a negative sign in front of parentheses, therefore, it's going to flip the sign of each term within the parenthesis. In other words, this will equal to x squared minus b squared minus 2bc minus c squared. Next exercise. Multiply the trinomials x plus b minus c in parentheses and x minus b plus c in parentheses. This equals to x plus b minus c in parentheses multiplied by x minus b minus c in square parentheses. This equals to x squared minus b minus c in parentheses squared, which simplifies to x squared minus b squared minus 2bc plus c squared. When I open parentheses, I have x squared minus b squared plus 2bc minus c squared. Next exercise. Multiply the trinomials a minus b minus c in parentheses and a minus b plus c in parentheses. This equals to square parentheses a minus b in parentheses minus c multiplied by in square parentheses a minus b in parentheses plus c. This equals to a minus b in parentheses squared minus c squared. This simplifies to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared minus c squared. Lastly, I'm going to multiply the trinomials a minus b minus c in parentheses and a plus b plus c in parentheses. This expression equals to a minus b plus c in parentheses and in square parentheses multiplied by a plus b plus c in parentheses and in square parentheses. This equals to a squared minus b plus c squared in parentheses squared. This equals to a squared minus b squared plus 2bc plus c squared, which equals to a squared minus b squared minus 2bc minus c squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.